video is sponsored by WheresMyChallenge.com. Click the first link in the description and you'll get to see some of our good videos.
Go watch that London video. Even I enjoyed it.
It's been 4 years since we did the alien brain hemorrhage shot, and I've been saying for ages and ages we're gonna supersize more shots, and here's one of them.
4 years later.
Smoker's cough.
Which Matt has. When Matt mentioned it to me, I was just like, why is that a thing?
He literally just went,
A little bit of Jagermiester, a little bit of mayonnaise, real mayonnaise. I guess you just pour the Jagermeister and then you dollop in the mayonnaise, so... It just seems like such a dumb idea.
egg,
Well, it's not egg.
sauce,
Oh, yeah,
and
sauce, isn't it?
herbal sauce combined.
That tastes good.
It feels like such a big shot. You telling me that isn't missing some mayonnaise?
I'm interested. How much am I drinking of that? That is strong. Nah, you can't have more than that. There's no way I could drink that much. It's way too strong. Look, that's half the bottle.
That's a glass of wine, Greg.
I'm telling you guys how it is. I literally will not be able to drink all of this. I know my body. I'm not like some...
Yeah, look at me, guys. I'm from WheresMyChallenge. I'm gonna drink loads of alcohol and then eat chili.
This has to be someone's trolled you. There's no way this is a real thing. Is that normal? That is legit what you hog up when you've been smoking a lot. God, that's just bad. Make sure to go to WheresMyChallenge.com where you can see filthy shit. I'm trying to delay having to drink this, but... Okay, straight away. Just a big hog of mayonnaise. Just,
Hog?
Yeah, just like a chunk just went down in my throat, but it went down really smoothly.
Oh, now you have to drink.
Okay, texture-wise, I'm gonna give this like maybe a 3 out of 10. Man, I don't know how women spoil or cum or anything like that. I can't do this, mate. I really could not do this.
That's honking.
Yeah, I know. Ready? That's it. I know that.
You still got spit hanging from your chin.
The technique is suck it in and mush it up in your mouth. Oh god.
Drink it, Greg.
Oh, dude, I'm just trying to delay. I don't want to drink it. It's so horrible. It's just horrible. Yeah. I feel like that guy in Dumb and Dumber when he drinks the piss. He's like... The texture's just too bad.
It's too bad, is it?
Literally, as soon as it hits me, it's like, wow. Well, it's shameful. I don't really care, because if I care for the opinions of people online, I'd probably be dead by now. If Lewis followed the advice of all the comments you give him, he'd be dead. Alright guys, I gave up. Now we've got the big boy, the real big boy, look at him. Look at how... Oh. See, look. He's not asking me how much he can have, he's just using all of it.
Out of me and you, who's always like, oh, I've already got a weird dicky belly?
You.
Me, yeah.
Yeah. It's just, look at that. Looks like it could be like a Japanese dessert or something, you know what I mean?
I kind of want to taste it first. Let me have a little sip and then I'll sip.
Make sure you get a bit of mayonnaise in there. A little bit of mayonnaise. You'll get a little bit of mayonnaise. It's, like I said, taste is not bad. Doesn't taste bad. Bit creamy, bit strong.
It's like butter.
This shit.
The smoker's cough.
It looks like those pictures on the packs of cigarettes.
Yeah, that's a thing. How are kids supposed to know about the dangers of drinking if they're not allowed to see it on YouTube?
Exactly.
Got it there, guys. Imagine all these kids that are drinking all this vodka now because they haven't seen how bad it is on YouTube.
And they think that, you know, we're trying to promote drinking, but if a kid watches this and sees us They're gonna be like, I do not want to look like that.
Rest of this in one go. Ready?
She did that.
Don't you ever doubt me and my drinking, Greg. I might have to make that face afterwards, but I can do it.
Really, dude? I always want to go get a sieve once you sieve it out. Oh, quite a few bits came out.
See, with your smoker's cough, you can always save it if you don't like the mayonnaise.
It looks like Bailey's.
It does.
That tastes good.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if there's any aftermath, there's aftermath. Hold your nose if it tastes bad.
It's not the taste. The taste is great. The taste is not an issue. It's just it's that. Oh, I feel really drunk. I'm not about you.
So you won't have to drink for the rest of the night, and you get to play Warzone for the rest of the evening. Yeah, Greg! Now hold it in, man. You're good. You're good. You're all good.
I'm good.
Yeah. High five. I'm doing it, man.
Matt has this obsession when he's drunk about breaking bottles over his head.
Dude.
It literally is all he talks about, and I'm just like, dude. Okay, first off,
just let me do it once, and then
you tried it before,
yeah.
and it just whacked you in the head, and you didn't smash. They don't. You cannot whack a bottle.
Yeah, but my head's got a lot of cushion in.
No. Then
like the video.
Leave a like.
Leave a like.
If you hate it, go fuck yourself and go find some other YouTube creator that does.
Go.
No one makes shit that we do anymore. I think I could play Warzone.
Go. Yeah, go.
I'm gonna go get some more alcohol as well.
No.
I've got more alcohol. I can do whatever I want. I'm an adult. Oh yeah, check out this top. There's a new order top. Oh yeah.